Today, I'll show you a genius way to make a delicious, crunchy, and cheesy potato pizza that will blow your mind. Let's get started. Ingredients: 2 large potatoes, enough oil for frying, salt and pepper, 2 eggs, tomato sauce, sliced ham, mozzarella cheese, basil and parsley powder, any toppings you love. First, slice the bottom of the potatoes slightly to make them flat. Then, julienne-cut the potatoes into thin strips. Heat enough oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. To check if it's hot enough, drop a small slice of potato. If it sizzles, you're good to go. Add 2/3 of the potatoes first and spread them evenly in the pan. Fill in any gaps with the remaining 1/3 of the potatoes. If needed, cover the pan with a lid to help the potatoes cook through. Add a pinch of salt and pepper at this stage, but the toppings will already bring plenty of flavor. Once the bottom is golden brown and the potatoes move together as one solid base, it means the crust is ready. In a bowl, whisk 2 eggs and pour them evenly over the potatoes. The eggs will fry instantly, binding the potatoes together. Once set, carefully drain out any excess oil to keep the base light and crispy. Flip the potato crust and cook the other side for extra crispiness. Spread a generous layer of tomato sauce over the crispy potato base. Add slices of ham, mozzarella cheese, and whatever toppings you love. Mushrooms, bell peppers, olives, or even corn. Sprinkle some basil and parsley powder for extra flavor. And it's done! The crispy, golden potato crust, combined with gooey, melted cheese, and delicious pizza toppings, is pure perfection. Give it a try, and let me know in the comments what toppings you'd add. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. See you in the next delicious adventure.